I'm going to show you how I got this look. I am honestly loving this wig. This wig is super cute. The curls is just giving. It's not heavy, but it's full. And the lace is nice, okay? It's not itching, it's not crunchy. It's just nice, that's all I have to say. I'm not really a huge fan of lace anyways, but make sure this look like scalp. Is it giving scalp? I don't know. You tell me. Is it giving scalp? At first, I was really gonna do a middle part, and then I was thinking a side part, and then I was thinking, wait a second, let me spice it up a little bit for you. Yeah. First time ever doing it, honestly. First time trying. I feel like I did a really good job. But I wanna show you guys how I got this look. Let's just get into this video.
On the Las Vegas trip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck or not, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she want mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. Stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.P. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? In my head, you send an accent. These days, no quick my age. Niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Blood and murder. Second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I D.I.P. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you. I'll show you something, give you more than words. With you, heaven is a place on earth, and I will take you there. I'll take you there. Fuck on my space. Basement's not the way, please don't play. Once he spin like a great escape. Ain't no trick, cold eyes don't change. I'm fucking out and making love no more. Got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving surface, calling on my favorite. I don't know how to reach me every time that it plays in my I ain't got a clue, bruh. I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like
Okay, so this is the final look. What do you think? What do you think? Oh my gosh, this hair is so nice. This hair is amazing. Okay, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed. The style, the hair, the length. It's just, oh. It did what it was supposed to do, okay? I feel like I did a really good job on this style. It was my first time trying something like this. It's new to me. And yeah, if you are a returning fairy, hi baby. Nice to see you again. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you like to see just me being me and dumb shit, that's what I do. I just do dumb shit. Okay, I'm boring. I'm a boring person. But again, I'm trying to find myself, okay? That's besides the point, y'all. I'm always getting besides the point. That's besides the point of this video. We're gonna talk about that later. But yeah, if you're a returning fairy, hey fairy baby, welcome back. If you are a new fairy, go ahead and press that subscribe button and also like this video if you like this video, okay? Make sure you go watch my other videos because I don't know, just because, like, you just need to catch up. You need to get on board of what's going on here and why am I doing this, okay? Also, go ahead and leave a comment about this video and what other videos you would like to see. I am open to anything except for that negative shit because it goes in one ear and out the other. Fuck you. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just give this video a like, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, ring the door. I said ring the door, hit that bell button so you can get a notification whenever I post a new video. I'm going to start coming on here looking like a bad bitch. You guys always see me looking like a raggedy bad bitch. I'm going to start coming on here looking like the baddest bitch. Okay? Because lately I just feel like I have not been the baddest bitch that I know I can be. You're about to start seeing the baddest bitch. Bye.